अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। सूरतुल अनआम मक्किया, आया 106 to 110 with English translation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, the very merciful, the all merciful. Ittabi ma uhiya ilayka min rabbik, la ilaha illahu wa a'riz anil mushrikeen. Follow what has been revealed to you from your Lord. There is no God but He, and turn away from those who associate partners with Allah. وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ مَا أَشْرَكُوا وَمَا جَعَلْنَاكَ عَلَيْهِمْ حَفِيظًا وَمَا أَنْتَ عَلَيْهِمْ بِوَكِيلٍ. If Allah willed, they would not have associated. We have not appointed you as a guard over them. We have not appointed you as a guard over them, nor are you a taskmaster for them. وَلَا تَسُبُّوا الَّذِينَ يَدْعُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ فَيَسُبُّوا اللَّهَ عَدْوًا بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ كَذَلِكَ زَيَّنَّا لِكُلِّ أُمَّةٍ عَمَلَهُمْ ثُمَّ إِلَى رَبِّهِمْ مَرْجِعُهُمْ فَيُنَبِّئُهُم بِمَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ. Do not revile those whom they invoke other than Allah, lest they should revile Allah in transgression without having any knowledge. This is how we have made the deeds of every community attractive in their sight. Then to their Lord is their return, after which He shall tell them what they have been doing. وَأَقْسَمُوا بِاللَّهِ جَهْدَ أَيْمَانِهِمْ لَئِنْ جَاءَتْهُمْ آيَةٌ لَيُؤْمِنُنَّ بِهَا قُلْ إِنَّمَا الْآيَاتُ عِندَ اللَّهِ وَمَا يُشْعِرُكُمْ أنها إذا جاءت لا يؤمنون. They have sworn forceful oaths by Allah that if a sign come to them, they will surely believe in it. Say, signs are in Allah's power alone. What will make you realize that even when the signs come, they will not believe? وَنُقَلِّبُ أَفْئِدَتَهُمْ وَأَبْصَارَهُمْ كَمَا لَمْ يؤمنوا به أول مرة ونذرهم في طغيانهم يعمهون. We will upset their hearts and sides, as they did not believe in them at the first instance, and we will leave them wandering blindly in their rebellion. Sadaqallahul Azim.